Hey, finance enthusiasts! Ever wondered how that crisp fresh bill lands in your wallet or how coins clink in your pocket? Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of money manufacturing. Let's peel back the curtain on this everyday mystery. First up, paper money, which, fun fact, isn't actually paper. It's made from a blend of cotton and linen for enhanced durability. The process begins with large sheets which are then imprinted with intricate designs. These aren't just for looks. They're crucial anti-counterfeiting measures. Think watermarks, security threads, and color-shifting inks. Next, the sheets are fed through high-precision machines that print both sides simultaneously. Once the ink dries, the sheets are cut into individual bills. Ever notice those serial numbers? They're unique to each bill, added during this phase to keep track of them. Now, onto coins. These little guys start as metal discs, called blanks. Each blank is heated and then stamped between two dies under immense pressure. This imprints the face and numerical value we're all familiar with. After stamping, the coins are inspected for defects and then counted and bagged. But the story of money is as old as civilization itself. From barter systems to metal coins minted in Lydia around 600 BC, to the first paper money in China during the Tang dynasty. Money has evolved, adapting to our needs and technologies. Around the world, currencies tell their own unique stories. Take the vibrant polymers of the Australian dollar or the intricate art on the euro notes. Each design reflects cultural heritage and technological prowess. So the next time you handle money, remember, it's not just a medium for transactions. It's a piece of art, a slice of history, and a marvel of engineering. Stay curious, keep exploring, and as always, dive deep into the fascinating world around you. More mind-blowing facts await in our next adventure. Until then, keep those gears turning.